Here's another useful tip. If you're going to draw your painting out, let's say I want to paint something similar to that, I can use a chalk. So I use colored chalk when I'm working on white paper, and I can just draw exactly or sort of what I want. And then like this, and then I can paint it through. Now, if you're working on a dark surface, you can use a white chalk. Let's say I wanted to add this, and I could just add some mountains, and I want to make it go like this. I could do that, and then reverse it like that. Now, if I don't want some of those lines, I decide I don't really want that, I wet a piece of paper towel and I can just wipe it off. Same with the paper. So easy as can be, and a great tip for starting out your paintings. So that's the tip of the day. We'll see you in the next video.